Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing splendid. And today I just wanted to go through my experience of getting a motorbike license. Now, it was bloody difficult. I'd just say that now. I go to Devon a lot for my holiday, and I thought, you know what, I'll do my license in Devon. So to be fair, like, I'm very dyslexic. My reading and writing isn't amazing. It takes me a while to get stuff read. But I've been diagnosed with dyslexia, so I contacted the DVLA for doing my theory test, and I said, could I have a reader to read the questions out for me and and selective answers if there was, you know, number A, is it this? Number B, is it this? You know? And my first thing was, I sat down, I got in there, sat down, and the lady started reading, and I was like, thinking in my head, you can't really speak or read English that well, can you? And she could. I could read better than her. But like, obviously, when you're doing your theory, you've got to you're concentrated so much. You're like, oh, am I going to fail? Am I going to pass? And that's all that I was thinking. And I just couldn't concentrate, so I was trying to concentrate on just reading everything myself while she was sort of reading things that were easy, and then all the words that she couldn't read, she kind of just said a random word almost, it felt like. There was one word that took me, I don't know, about, I'd say probably half a minute to break down syllable by syllable, and that was chicanes. She couldn't read chicanes. I was like, geez, I'm the one supposed to be not able to understand English and be able to read that well, but yet here I am, bloody reading the word chicanes. But anyway, I failed that one by quite a few scores. Then, booked the second theory, another reader. This lady was lovely, and it was lovely. It went so easy and fluid. It was a piece of cake, and she was great. She read the questions out to me, and selective answers if there were answers to read out. You know, if it was selective, and it was great. I passed, and I was like, yes, I've passed. Then I tried to do my motorbike license. A1, A2. You got like the first section where you just do the course, and you have to do emergency stop, figure of 8, manhandling with the bike, or handling of the bike and stuff. And that was okay. I passed that. First time I passed that. Second time and then the first time for my on-road test, I kid you not, it was going so smoothly, it was fine, until we went on the dual carriageway. I sped up onto the dual carriageway, got into the dual carriageway, and a car was going too quick, and it was tailing me. It was on my arse, and there's quite a few cars overtaking us as well. So if I was on my own bike, I probably would have dropped a gear and joined those guys and get past this lorry. But this car behind me was boot bumping me right on my arse, so the instructor failed me for that. And he said, apart from that, your riding was great, no issues, just that one major fault, and I'm sorry to say to you, but you failed your test today. I was like, great, cool. So I was still on my little 125, whizzing around, revving the bollocks out of it to get up to speed, and I drove home in disappointment, and then drove home in more disappointment. Back to the old smoke from Devon. So I booked my motorbike test again, just the on-road test bit, and we went out. It was all going very smoothly, and then I got undertook by a car, but I was doing the speed limit, and we were just about to turn right, and he failed me for that. And I said, how do you quite under how do you those people just walked into each other. That was quite funny. How do you work that out? We were turning right in a right-hand turn, and to be able to turn right, you've got to stop anyway, so you're going to get undertook anyway. And he said, yeah, no, you failed though. A very moody, arsey guy as well. I wasn't very happy with him. And then I had him again. I booked another test with the same guys on an MT-07. The bike was that I was riding, and the bloody indicator stopped working on it. Imagine that, you're on your bloody test and the bloody indicator stopped working. So I had to do arm signals, and we do the ride, we get back, it's all lovely, it's all cushy, no issues. And he said, because the bike's not legal, because you don't have indicators, I can't fail you and I can't pass you. So the company I was doing it with, he said, you've got to get another test booked for free. And I was like, oh, okay, alright. So I booked another one, and of course, and it was with the same guy as well. And of course, I passed with flying colours, no issues. And it was fine. No issues. And that was my experience with getting my motorbike licence. It was horrible, but we got there in the end. We did it, and yeah, just thankful that I managed to pass in the end without any issues. Jesus Christ. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video and me telling my story about not passing my licence very easily, and I'll see you in the next one, chaps. And that's a bloody visit. Just having a little walk around. Oh, that's funny. Alright chaps, I'm gonna get a little snack as I'm starving. See you in the next one, and ride safe everyone.